Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install Cloudstream on your Firestick quickly and easily. Cloudstream is a great app for streaming movies, TV shows, and anime, all in one place. First, make sure your Firestick is ready by enabling apps from unknown sources. To do this, go to Settings, then My Fire TV, select Developer Options, and turn on Apps from Unknown Sources. Next, we'll need to install the Downloader app from the Amazon App Store. Open Downloader and enter the Cloudstream APK download link, then hit Go. Once the download is complete, select Install and wait for the process to finish. After installation, open the app and grant any necessary permissions. Now, you're all set to explore Cloudstream's huge library of content. If you experience any buffering, consider using a VPN for a smoother experience. This tutorial is for educational purposes only, so always ensure you're streaming content legally. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Firestick tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and enjoy streaming with Cloudstream on your Firestick.